Alright, guys, here we got my son Alex. Um, we all have something in our lives that kind of abnormal, I guess, if you want to say. Well, Alex just discovered his right now. Care to share it, Alex?
I guess. I mean, I don't know what I was doing. I was just like,
Stretching or something?
I guess. And I heard a weird sound and I was like, oh, this is interesting. So, shall I show you?
Yeah, before you do it, I want to let you guys know this is for real. We ain't got no sound effects or nothing. He ain't got nothing under his stomach. Okay.
All good.
Here you go.
Okay, ready?
There you go, guys.
And wait, what was that?
That is insane.